This is Robert Harper with Virginia Farm Bureau's Grain Division, bringing you the Merchandiser Minute for Friday, September the 7th, 2018. We just finished up another week of trading, and we came into this week with the speculators in Chicago once again short beans and short corn and long wheat. They were looking for any type of news this week to get a rally in the markets. And when we look at this week compared to the last three, we really have seen a week that headlines didn't grab the attention of the speculator as much as we have been. December corn in Chicago closed up 2 cents for the week at $3.67 even. November soybeans, your new crop contract, closed down a penny for the week at $8.44 even. And your December wheat contract closed down 27 cents a bushel for the week at $5.11 1/4. And some of our headline grabbers this week that we saw were revolving around wheat, and this 27-cent decline we saw. The Russian ag minister came out on Monday and really squished any rumors in the trade that Russia was going to be limiting wheat exports in the nearby months. He said, we're going to keep selling, and their wheat is cheaper than anybody else's in the world, so that's who's getting the business. We also saw adequate rains, nice rains in Oklahoma, Texas, and Kansas has really prepared that soil for those producers as they're going to the field this month to plant that hard wheat crop. That put pressure on the board in Chicago also. Economic problems in Argentina came to a head in a little bit of a different way. The government there announced an export tax on agricultural products to try to help balance the budget. And African swine fever rumors are still really rampant in the trade. We really don't know the expectations that the government in China has or how big this problem is. But in Chicago, lean hog futures were limit up yesterday with the hope, tariffs or no tariffs, of maybe exporting some more U.S. pork to China. USDA, not a lot of change in the crop progress this week. 67% of the corn is rated good to excellent. Soybeans, 66% of the crop is rated good to excellent. We did start our new marketing year this week, September the 4th. We've got until August 31st, 2019 on corn and soybeans to meet the demand picture that the USDA has painted for us. This week we also got numbers from Allendale and Informa on their guesstimates for the report coming on September 12th. Remember, next week we get the crop production report from USDA Wednesday, September 12th. USDA does adjust yield and production and carryover numbers, so that's going to have a big impact on your price next week. And both Allendale and Informa came in a little bit under the USDA's August 10th number for corn and about a bushel over of USDA's August the 10th number for beans. The big thing next week, other than the September 12th crop report, we'll just be looking for any development in the China story. Will we get back to the table with them and talk about tariffs? We're going to be looking for any developments with Canada. We've got the deal done with Mexico. We need to get one done with Canada. And if certainly the Farm Bill is progressing well, I think the conferees took a look at the bill this week, so keep your eye on any Farm Bill news. The fundamentals are still negative to price as we end this week. Give us a call if we can help you, if we can talk about local basis. The market facilitation program is making marketing, especially your soybeans, a little bit tricky this year and knowing what to do. So call us if we can help you. This is Robert Harper at Farm Bureau's Grain Division.